Look at that, another beautiful flag. Isn't that beautiful? Nice to see you. Who are you? Huh?
From Czechia.
Ah, yes. You want to give a little interview? Oh, that was a nice guy. He is my optician here in Chitluk, and a really nice guy. And when you come to Medjugorje, come to Chitluk, prices for classes here in Medjugorje are very good. And look at that, isn't that amazing? Our Lady calls and people respond. Young people respond. If anybody tells you that the Catholic faith is for old people, look at this. Is it old people here? I see young, beautiful people. Look at that. And confessionals now outside as well here. Isn't that beautiful? Unbelievable. Look at that.
Vediamo se ce n'è ancora.
There we go. Here we are right in the center of the action. Right in the center of it. Look at that. You see the young people here in Medjugorje, they are smiling, and look, she's smiling as well. Bit scared. Let's go further on. Let's see what is happening here. Oh, here you have, it looks like Mary's Meal, I would say. It's a beautiful organization, Mary's Meal. So you have a lot of NGOs here, as you can see. Catholic NGOs. We got the solution to the secret. There we go, look at that. Wow, how beautiful.